In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the time or time zone on YouTube TV. A helpful trick if you've moved, are traveling, or just noticed your guide is showing the wrong time for live TV listings. YouTube TV automatically sets your time zone based on your location, since it offers local channels and schedules based on where you live. But if you're seeing the wrong time or date in your guide, there's a way to fix it. Here's the thing. You can't manually set the exact time like you would on a clock, but you can update your location and time zone, which will adjust everything in YouTube TV accordingly. To do that, go to tv.youtube.com on a browser or open the app. Sign into your account. Click your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Settings, General, Country, and Language. Make sure your country matches where you're watching from. For more specific time zone settings, go to your device settings on your smart TV, Fire Stick, or mobile device and adjust the time zone there. YouTube TV usually pulls this info directly from your device. Keep in mind, changing your time zone might also affect your local channel lineup, so only change it if necessary. Thanks for watching. If this helped you get the correct time showing on YouTube TV, drop a comment below and let me know what device you used. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more YouTube TV tips. See you next time.